How to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. ChatGPT has now set up a phone number where people can chat with the AI system through text messages on WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Guy Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT through WhatsApp for free. Now let's get started. To use ChatGPT within WhatsApp, you'll first need to add ChatGPT as a contact. To do so, open WhatsApp and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select New Contact. The phone number is 1-800-ChatGPT, which is 1-18242-8478. Add ChatGPT as the contact's name, then tap Save. After that, you can tap the message icon to start a conversation with ChatGPT. You should see the WhatsApp verified badge at the top beside ChatGPT. This lets you know that you are chatting with the official ChatGPT account. Start by saying hello. ChatGPT will send back an automated message that says you're now chatting with ChatGPT, and by continuing, you agree to their terms of service. You can then continue to ask ChatGPT for information, recommendations, and more. That's all it takes to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. If you want to use the original ChatGPT app, check out the video link in the comments below to learn how to download it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't as yet, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified as soon as I upload a new video.